First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day to all. We got independence from the British rule in 15th August 1947. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives to become our country independent. Now I'd like to say A to Z freedom fighter names who sacrificed for our country. A says Alluri Sita Ramaraju, hero of jungles. B says Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. C says Chandrasekhar Azad, main revolutionaries of the Indian freedom struggle. D says Dayananda Saraswati, she founded the Arya Samaj. E says Ishwara Chandra Vidyasagar, he encouraged women's education. F says Firoz Shah Mehta, the father of the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. G says Gopala Krishna Gokhale, the great social reformer. H says Hedgewar, the chief of RSS. I says Indian National Army. It was founded by Mohan Singh. L says Lala Lajpati Roy, the Lion of Punjab. K says Komuram Bhim, Jal Jangil Jameen. M says Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. N says Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He formed Asa Hindu Fauj and Indian National Army. O says Onake Obawa, the great Hindu warrior. P says Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, the founder of Akhila Bharatiya Rashtra Mahasabha. Akhila Bharatiya Rashtra Sabha. Q says Queen Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. R says Rabindranath Tagore, he composed our national anthem Jana Gana Mana. S says Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. T says Tantia Tope, the leader of the Indian Mutiny. U says Udham Singh, the Mutiny of Governor of Punjab in India. V says Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. W says Va Batukeshwar Dutt, Indian revolutionaries forgotten hero. X says Xavier Vasudev Padki, the father of Indian armed revolution. Y says Yusuf Mehar Ali, the Simon go back and quit India. Z says Zahid Mahal, he encouraged the emperors to fight with our country. Thank you.
Very good. A to Z alphabets. What you recognize with this A to Z? Or just now she told the names. Whose names that is? Freedom fighters. All of you give a big applause. It's wonderful. Freedom fighters. What they did also she informed A to Z. Anyone? Please from high school.